Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's project will be to make these DIY glitter sconces. They're absolutely beautiful and they go with any decor. If you want to know how I made these beautiful sconces, please stay tuned. The first thing you're going to need is poster board or any type of cardboard. I had these left over from my previous project where I painted posters. If you want to know how I made those, I will leave the link down below. You're going to need 2 posters and you're going to have to cut them into 6 pieces. You're going to use these Dollar Tree wine glasses that the bottom comes off because you're going to use the bottom. We're going to need this bling and these rhinestones that I purchased at Amazon. And you're also going to need this bling wrap that has the mirrored effect. Now let's get started. Measure out 2 inches more than the mirror, then trace. Once you cut your first piece, use it as a template to cut the rest. Once you have them cut, you glue 3 pieces together and set them aside to dry. Once they're all dry, they're nice and strong. I measured my bling wrap to the size of the project, then cut it in rows of 3. This is exactly 1 inch. You lay everything down just to make sure that you have the right measurements. The mirrors are a little bit longer than the actual cardboard, so I will compensate for that later. For the wine glasses, I will be cutting my bling wrap in rows of 5 and I will be gluing it diagonal to the wine glass. I will be using these raindrop beads and these chandelier beads. I'm cutting sets of 3 so that I can glue it to the bottom of the glass just to give it a beautiful look. When I started gluing my second one, I made a mistake and glued it too low. I show this just to show that it's okay to make mistakes. You just start all over.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living.
I also tried to do smaller strips on the bottom of the second one and didn't like it, so I stuck to the one large strip. Before I glued my project together, I added spray paint to the edges of my cardboard so that you can see through the bling wrap. Now for this project, I used Gorilla Glue, which is a very strong glue, but I also decided to add the E6000 just in case. Now we're using the bottom of the wine glass as a holder. We're going to take it and glue it to the center of the middle mirror, and then we're going to glue our sconce onto that. But before we glue the sconce on, we're going to cover the edges with rhinestones. And now that the sconce is all dry, it's absolutely beautiful. Now to make your project look nice and neat, we're going to cover the edges with bling wrap, and we're going to cover the top and the bottom with the mirrored bling wrap. And a couple more finishing touches with rhinestones, and we're done.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by.
So here's the final product. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I paired it with my previous DIY, which is my bling clock. And if you want to know how I made that, I will leave the link down below. If you're new to my channel, I'm happy to have you here. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and DIY, and I hope you come back soon. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.